Hi, this is Pradeep Dadha here. I'm the founder of the company and I'm based out of Chennai. Truth is a nutraceutical company which is basically focused on vitamins, minerals and supplements. It's basically focused on the nutrition needs of people and how they, at the modern lifestyle, you look at people losing out in terms of the nutrition that they require, and we're trying to supplement that with our products. The genesis and the USP of the brand is basically that everybody's need in terms of nutrition is very different, and the products are basically focused on augmenting your nutrition needs, which are not fulfilled in terms of the regular dietary intake that we have with this present day lifestyle and present day stress levels and everything. You're not taking or not consuming everything. You move to a more like a junk food culture. So you're basically skipping out in terms of the essential nutrients that you need, and Truth is looking at fulfilling those needs. So that's the basic genesis of the company, and it's basically more also from the price point perspective, making something available to the mass market. So there are brands which are there in the country as of now, but they're very overtly priced. So it's not somebody that every person who would like to take it can take it. So we're looking at affordable healthcare supplements. It's basically, if you look at it, if you look at India in terms of the vitamin deficiencies that you can see, there was there was a cover story as well recently there which said that was a vitamin D3 deficiency, or you look at the studies which ICMR have carried out, which basically talk of over 70% of the Indians are deprived of essential nutrients. So basically that was the reason why the birth of Truth, basically to kind of get into the aspect of actually providing nutrients which can actually help in reducing the deficiency in the body of various people. These products primarily, if you look at it, look at a 30-day supply of vitamin A to Z is around 310 rupees. It's not the most affordable in the sense in that way, but it is something which is trying to be more affordable. These basically vitamins and nutrients are itself expensive, so we cannot really get into a product with that kind of variety of number of nutrients that is there at a price lesser than that. The availability is omni-channel. If you look at it, it's going to be online and offline. Online through truth.com or through NetMeds, it's available pan-India. Every zip code that the country, you could actually look at, you can get the product out. Offline distribution is being built, which would cater to around 150,000 chemists and modern trade stores. The manufacturing unit, the products are contract manufactured. So most of our products are manufactured in Baddi, and a few of our products are manufactured in Chennai. If you look at it, the dietary supplements should be around 20,000 crores is the tentative market size. When it's a growing number, it's compiled growth of about 17 to 20% year on year. Expansion plans, in the sense, it's at this point the market is pretty nascent. So basically, we would want to go ahead and actually build the category and build between people the essence as to what they require in terms of nutrients and how having deficiency in nutrients causes other issues in your system, as to what other like if you are low on vitamin D3, then you get into bone and other bone health, or you get into pain, arthritis and all these things which actually add up. So it's basically more about educating the consumer as to what it is required, and then making them understand that what they require and trying to fulfill that gap and provide them with the supplement. We have a full spectrum of products. Basically, our entire philosophy of the brand is that there is no one particular product which can fit everybody. So depending on your gender, age, type of condition that you are at, there could be products which could be of use to you, which are going to be different than somebody else. We have omega-3 for the heart health. If you look at it, we have 3 products that have been looked at the various stages of launches, which might come, which will happen this year, which is basically omega-3, which is a plain omega. We also have DHA that is coming from krill oil. Basically, if you look at krill oil, it's basically the size of the krill oil is actually sourced from internationally. Actually, the raw material is imported. The exact name of the vendor is something which I don't remember off my head. No, omega. Basically, all of them give the same thing. The only difference is the content is higher in the krill oil. So what happens is the size of the tablet comes down. Is higher. So what happens is, to receive the amount of DHA and EPI you require in omega-3 or a fish oil, you need to have a higher size of the tablet. So it could be 1,000 milligram or slightly more, but the same thing can be got with a 300 milligram tablet. So the size of the tablet makes a big difference. And for the vegetarians, we also have, CoQ10, which is going to be coming out, which is for heart. Yeah. We're basically having one product, which is basically a 1,000 mg tablet, which is going to come out.
Only 1,000 mg, one standard?
Yeah, one standard product. We have products in the liver detox space, in bone health. We will have products which will be coming in for other lifestyle disorders which are going to be there. At this point, since we're a new company, there's only expansion of the market and expansion of the business, which is our criteria to look at. So once we reach a particular scale, I guess, then we would, it's every day is going to be growth and expansion of, various activities, whether it's educating the people on the requirement of supplements, or whether it's going to look at expanding the market in which we expand our brand in terms of the penetration and expanding the category. Over the next 12 months, if you look at it, we would want to try and get our reach pan-India. So we want to be present in about offline over about 100 to 150,000 outlets, and would look at, a sale of about, in the next 12 to 18 months, you would want to try and reach a sale of about 60 to 100 crores.
Manufacturing new products?
We are basically, if you look at it from the perspective of the product, it's basically as per ICMR standards. So it's basically, these are no new molecules that we are developing. So it's only the mixture in which it is actually put together that is going to be different. So if you look at any sort of development, R&D work will happen on the process of putting things together, but we are not getting into any development of any new molecule which comes into the picture here.